Finding a child with Sharpie marker or ink pen all over their little faces and clothes can be disheartening. Trust me, I've been there. However, today I will teach you how to remove the stains from their clothes without using any harsh chemicals. So, join me. Don't let that permanent marker stain scare you away. Those clothes are not ready for the trash just yet. We can remove that stain using a simple technique that does not include any harsh chemicals. The items you will need are petroleum jelly, paper towels, rubbing alcohol, cotton balls, and an all-natural dishwashing liquid. First, you want to contain the ink so it does not spread while we treat the stain. Grab some petroleum jelly and apply a circle around the ink or the marker stain. Lay the clothing item on top of paper towels, stain side down. Apply a small amount of rubbing alcohol to the stain to saturate it, and then dab with cotton balls. The cotton balls and paper towels will start to absorb the stain. Move the clothing item to a new spot on your paper towel often and do not reuse the same cotton balls. Simply add more alcohol and repeat these steps until the stain is completely removed. This process can take a while depending on how much of the ink transferred to the clothing. If the stain still persists, spot treat with dishwashing liquid and let it sit at least 20 minutes before laundering. Air dry until the stain is completely removed. Please share this video with your friends, subscribe for daily DIY Your Life videos, and click that thumbs up button down there and show me that you like the vid. Thank you, and I will see you tomorrow.